Hi, and welcome to another one of my game cocktails. I'm Magic Mike, and today I'm again at the Try Hard Cafe, an esports bar located in Sydhavn, Copenhagen. It's a really nice place where you can enjoy to watch some esports, play some console games or board games, and have some really nice game cocktails. Furthermore, you can check out on Facebook and on their homepage for events and tournaments. So a really fun place to go to. Trueline Games is having a release party for the Forgotton game that just went out on Switch. It's already have been out on PS4, Xbox and Steam from May, and now it's out for the Switch. It's a really fun platform puzzle game with a really focus on narrative, so go check it out. If you're still in doubt, they also released on Steam and Switch a demo, so go play it out, and if you like it, buy the game. Furthermore, they just also released a merchandise store, Trueline Games /shop, where you can go and check some really fun merch from the Forgotton realm. And now to the actual cocktails. So what I have made is one main drink and 4 shots that you can interact with each other. So what we first do is the drink called Anima. So we take my shaker, we take some lychee juice, so around 4 centiliters of lychee juice, 10 centiliters of apple juice, a dash of blue curacao to get this blue anima color. Just a little bit, so. And then 2 centiliters of lime juice. Fresh lime juice or some of this that's just pressed, easier to handle than fresh limes. Add some ice cubes. And then give it a good shake. Take a highball glass, fill it with some ice cubes, and then strain the drink. And that's the Anima. So this one is a virgin drink, and we call it the distilled Anima. If you add some vodka, around 4 centiliters, you will have an instilled Anima instead. So now to the shots. For the first shot, we're gonna make an enforcer, which is 1 centiliter of tequila, 1 centiliter, there you go. Oh, half a centiliter of blue curacao, and 1 centiliter of sambuca. And that's the enforcer. The next one is the caretaker, which has 1 centiliter of apple juice, 1 centiliter of sour apples liqueur, then half a centiliter of this ginger liqueur called Ratzeputs, and then a dash of mint, either liqueur or bar syrup. Really just a little bit of dash, or it all will taste like toothpaste. Good. The next one will be the master, which is 1 centiliter of dark rum. Right now I'm using an oak heart. You could use other spiced rums. Then it's Sambuca again. There you go. Also 1 centiliter. And then a dash of grenadine. And a dash of Monin spice, which is a spicy bar syrup with a touch of chili and cinnamon. Just a little bit. So. And there we got the master. And then for the last one, it's the rebel, where we again go for the Sambuca, 1 centiliter. One centiliter of cachaça, which is a Brazilian spirit. It's also the one you use for making caipirinhas, for instance. And then half a centiliter of banana liqueur or banana syrup if you don't want bar syrup, if you don't want it to be that much alcohol in it. And there you have the rebel. So what you can do is you can take the distilled animal, so the one that's with no alcohol, and then you can put one of them in to enhance it. So the enforcer goes in there and in the animal souls, and it becomes, for instance, an ant. So I chose this really blue color because, well, Van dresses in blue, and it's also one of the achievements, which also has more of a blue color. The caretaker, without spoiling the game, she's much like this balance of nature, so I choose a green one with some appley flavors, and then it had to have a little bit of bite, and that's why I chose the Ratzeputs. The master is represented by Master Bonku, the guy who runs the show in the Forgotton Realm, and there I wanted a little bit more wet touch into it. It's an enhanced version of a former shot I made for Final Fantasy, the One-Winged Angel, but with another touch to it. And in the end, the rebel, Mr. Fake, had to be yellow and had to be quirky like the rebels are. So that's why I used that combination. But each of them, you can try and mix it with the anima and see what you like of that. So I really hope you like it. Check out the Tryhard eSport bar. Come down here, have some fun. Try out Forgotton on Switch, Xbox, PS4 or Steam. And check out my website and YouTube's. So enjoy!